Welcome to Action CRM. I'm Nelson Sparks, founder and CEO. So, what we've done with Action is we've taken one of the most well rounded business automation tools and go high level, and we've built our system on top of it to incorporate all the features that we use within our agency and within our insurance agency in order to contact customers, identify them, nurture the relationship, and just have a better overall experience so we close more deals and get more referrals within our business. And real quick, I just want to show you a quick demo of what our dashboard looks like that we've customized to fit these high yield industries that's going to make an impact in your business overnight. All right. First of all, we have our dashboard. All right, the dashboard is going to give you an overall view of your entire landscape of what you're looking at, from your lead flow to how many you have basically into the pipeline. We also have a task orientation place where you can put in different tasks for your team, yourself, or based off certain actions that happen within the system. All right. Next, we go down to our conversation tab. Our conversation tab is where everything that we basically do as a whole business is, these are all the conversations we have, whether it be email, text, through Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, any of those modalities, or directly on the phone. We have the ability to basically house them all in one pipeline. As you can see here, this is also one of our secret tools that we offer in our enterprise package, where we have our conversational AI, where we can cater it to your business, right? We've already got them built out for high yield industries such as legal, insurance, financial, SaaS, even home services, roofing, home services, any of those industries that you're typically used to paying $150, $200, $300, or even into legal where you're paying $900 to $1,000 just per click, not even counting the lead. We've built in our SaaS platform so that you can start those conversations at a much higher, much more faster point with these individuals. Right? Most of you guys are sending traffic to your website. You're spending money on ads. And that's what we've done with Action, is make sure that we can capture that information by adding our pixel in, where we give you all that contact information. We feed it in using scripts right into GHL, so you don't have all of the rigmarole or the cost that comes from spending on Zapier or Make apps on a monthly basis. And we're able to get them into that conversation flow at a much faster point, utilizing both of our AI systems, either the calendar setting AI or a conversation AI, to work them further down the funnel, answer all their questions, and be able to schedule them on your calendar so that by the time you're actually having a conversation with people, they've already got all their questions answered and you can dive right into the meat and potatoes of it. All right. The next thing is to link into all your calendars within your system as well. All right. You can link this into any Google Calendar, any Outlook calendar, so that all your appointments, whether it be one-way or two-way syncing, will show up on this, and your system can adjust to make sure that your calendar is kept secure, clean, and doesn't conflict with anything. All right. We also give you unlimited ability to upload as many leads as you possibly want within this system. All right. There's no limitations on contacts, no limitations on outreach or profiles that you have for your customers. Within Action as well, you've got the ability to create different pipelines to keep all of your lead flows in tight order. And as you move them through the different cycles of it, we key in automations so that those tasks that you repetitively complete don't have to be done manually anymore. It can be automatically done by the system. Depending on what business you're in, right, you may be able to want to take packages. If you're a coach, if you're an attorney, then you're doing consultations. This gives you the ability to take payment and put those into your marketing efforts ahead of time before you ever get on the phone, so those conversations after you provided your service aren't as awkward when you're trying to collect payment. Additionally, you have your marketing features within here where you can basically tie in all of your social media accounts, much like MailChimp or much like Hootsuite does, or any of the social media managers where they're basically making posts on your behalf and scheduling things out. You can literally take the time once a week or once a month to plot out your entire pathway of what you're going to send out via your social media and outreach to make it a much more less intensive process for you. Right? Automations is the backbone of everything we do. Right? We've built in our sales robot ChatGPT orientations in here where we have our conversational formats. Additionally, creating workflows is extremely simple. If you can basically think it out on a whiteboard, you can create it within the path, right? Any trigger based off of appointment status, contacts being submitted, birthdays, forms submitted, interactions on link clicks within emails, texts, or phone calls that you've completed on voicemail drops, right? Facebook lead forms, Instagram lead forms, LinkedIn forms, even TikTok is in here. You can also create complete training programs for either your staff or for external customer outreach and education programs. Additionally, anything within Shopify or your e-commerce store can also be manually triggered through this. And then based off of all those triggers, you can send text messages, emails, voicemails, message through all your social media. You can even set up manual call tasks, even GMB messaging through your Google My Business page. You can grant them access to affiliate offers or grant them access to different programs and sequences that you've set up to educate them or further them down the cycle. Additionally, moving them in and out of workflows and moving them through the different stages of your sales cycles is much easier within Axtion, and you can basically create them all in line item format. Moving on from the workflows, we have our content AI. We've integrated in with ChatGPT where you can create content through here. Right? Your blog posts, your funnels, your websites, and emails are all capability to throw through here. And it'll create multiple examples, which makes the social media management, marketing, even your automation setup much easier because you're not having to wait around copywriters to write your content for you anymore. Sites, any sort of website that you want to run through there, whether you want to replace your ClickFunnels account, you want to create websites in here, or even you want to do WordPress or blogs, all that can be done through the Axtion system and with our enterprise system. Reputation management is also handled through here. So we link into all of your review sources, Facebook, Instagram, Google My Business, where you can seamlessly send out review requests to satisfy customers and be able to take them through the process. You can also use the automations to be able to filter those review requests to make sure that if there's any negative interactions, they can be placed into a system or a pipeline stage that'll allow your customer or your reps or yourself to reach out to them and satisfy that relationship so that your reviews are always just positive within your deal. There's also complete reporting on all your Google Ads, Facebook, and attribution reporting on calls, agents, and appointment reporting. We also include a handy character counter in here so you can identify exactly how much your messages are going to cost you, each and every one you send, if you're going to send any text messages, MMS, or any outlet that would additionally charge. Okay? So additionally, Axtion, we will help you set all of this up. So part of all of our packages, whether you're talking about our $99 package or $199 or our $1,999 package, you get free setup. We'll take the time to spend at least an hour with you on the phone, setting your package up, giving you all the necessary workflows and customizing them to your particular needs, where you can be set up and running within a couple hours. Additionally, we'll help you set up the pixel if you're take advantage of one of our enterprise plans, where you can seamlessly start to convert that anonymous traffic that you're getting on your website into leads. And depending on what the platform is, we're showing an 85 to 90% match rate where you're going to get their contact information. You're going to get their detailed information about their financial status, their credit rating, how much their net worth is. Are they homeowners, right? Have they gone, what was the last car they test drove? Incredibly detailed, deep data that you'll be able to access by utilizing the Axtion system if you sign up for our enterprise plan at least. Now, again, we're offering a 14-day premium program on the enterprise plan for a limited time through June, but all of our other programs come with a 14-day free trial no matter what. So check out our packages below. If you have any questions, there's also a demo down below that you can schedule and speak with me one-on-one. But if you go ahead and sign up today, again, we're going to extend a 14-day free trial for our enterprise plan where you can check out all the full features, whether it be the automation, the SMS, the conversation flow, pipeline management, scheduling, websites, automations, blogs, even your social media management and all the marketing reporting, coupled with our advanced AI conversation bot, our AI scheduling bot, our deep data pixel to be able to give you the necessary information of who exactly is visiting your site. That's going to give you the ability to identify anonymous traffic. Think about how many times you've worked with a marketing company or you've worked with a marketing source such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, and all of a sudden one of your videos or one of your ads just blows up and you get a ton of traffic to your website, but they didn't fill out your form. Axtion Pixel and Axtion CRM will solve that problem for you. We'll be able to identify that anonymous traffic, be able to funnel it in using scripts directly into your CRM at no cost to you so that you can reach out to them and follow up with them real time before your competitors get to them. So take advantage of Action's 14-day trial today. Get signed up. We'll get you up and running and your pixel generating anonymous traffic and new leads to your website within 24 hours. Again, I'm Nelson Sparks. Just want to preemptively say welcome to Action. Let's kick your business into high gear for the rest of the year and roll into 2024 with a new head of steam and hitting new profit highs like you've never expected before.